So for 3 and 4, we're just doing multiplying and dividing, but they give us new functions this time. So f of x equals 6x, and your function g equals x to the 3/4. So for number 3, we're just multiplying them together. So f is 6x times g is x to the 3/4. I'm going to put a little 1 with that x to the 3/4. So multiplying, you just multiply those coefficients. 6 times 1 gives you 6. And you would add the powers together, but if you guys add the powers, you end up just having to sort of simplify the radical again. So I'm just going to bring that x down and then rewrite this one as the 4th root of x to the 3rd. So because you have that even root, I know it doesn't ask about your domain, but this one would also be 0 to positive infinity. And then let's look at a division one. So f divided by g. So we would have 6x on the top over x to the 3/4 on the bottom. So fraction, you're just dividing. So 6 divided by 1 would give you guys 6. And when we divide, our exponent rules say we subtract. So this is really x to the 1st. So 1 minus 3/4 gives you 1/4. So you get 6x to the 1/4, and we'll just rewrite that in root form. So 6 times the 4th root of x. Don't necessarily need the first power, but if you want to put it there, you could. So this one is a little strange, a little tricky. So we would say that because of the even root, you would want 0 to positive infinity, right? But because of the fraction, we can't actually include the value 0. So instead of a bracket at the 0, we're going to have a parenthesis because we actually can't include the value 0 because we don't want to divide by that. So that was a little tricky where that's one where you need to include both because you got a fraction and a radical happening at the same time. But as far as operations go, you really are just doing the operation that it asks using whatever functions that it gives you. So it'll change just based on those factors, but just add, subtract, multiply, and divide by whatever functions you're given.